What's going on, everyone? JC Fire back in action again tonight, and we have got more pepper powders to try from my good friend Jim Morrow at Jimmy's Pickles Pepper Seeds or Jimmy's Pickles Product Line LLC. Just do want to make a disclaimer before I get started and we dive into some of these powders that Jim only sells the seeds for you to grow for your garden for these pepper varieties, rather that he does not sell powders by any way, shape, or form. However, my job here tonight is to dive in, try some, see if I get eaten alive by some of these powders, and see if they're up your alley, to see if maybe that's something you want to grow down the line. So, with that being said, man, Jim hooked it up with a bunch of powders for me to try out here. So I'm really, really ecstatic, and I am really ecstatic tonight because I have a yellow variety, and yellow colored peppers are my favorite. What I like about the yellow varieties is that some of them have that citrus just aroma and taste to them. They're just magnificent, flavorful peppers. They don't tend to have some of the super hot heat like some of the world's hottest. Rather, some of them can have a kick to them, but they tend to be very, very, very flavorful. So, with that being said, I have in this bag yellow Scotch brain powder. From what I take it, it is a 7-pot brain strain with some Scotch crossed. I got a little powder in my nose there. 7-pot brain strain was crossed with a Scotch bonnet. And like I said, I just love the yellow varieties. They're my favorites. I don't expect this one to be as hot as the first one we did. If you guys watched the video from the last video I posted, me and my buddy Angel got lit up by the jigsaw powder that Jim sent. But rather, this one's probably going to be on the cusp of a hot to a super hot. If it does reach super hot level, it's probably going to be on the low end of the spectrum there. So, with that said, let's dive in, see what this one's all about. Oh man, I love yellows. Problem with getting some scent of some of these and smelling some of these is you don't want to smell powders. It just blows up your nostrils. Ooh, that smells incredible. Let me get in here. Try to get some powder on here. Got some nice powder right there. So, I got about 1/4 of a spoonful of some yellow Scotch brain powder. Just going to see that this just dabs with that citrus. Kind of dive in to see what this heat level's like. I did get about 1/4 of a spoonful. This is just basically yellow Scotch brain that's dehydrated. So this is just pure pepper. So woo! So it's got a kick. Problem is I got a little in my nostrils there, so it's got my eyes watering. Ooh. It's got a nice burn to it. Tongue burn. Not overly unbearable. It's got a kick and it's got heat to it. Not gonna lie. But wow, that flavor of that pepper is magnificent. And I know you're getting the dehydrated version of it, so you're not going to get that full-on citrus bite like you would if you were eating a straight pepper. But man, I still pick up some of that citrusness to it. It is magnificent. And I got the hiccups. It's so random. I tried the jigsaw the other night, didn't get the hiccups. Now, granted, I hammered a good quarter spoonful of powder right off the bat there. So I'm thinking of getting a little bit more of the concentrate to it. I did get the hiccups, though. Surprisingly, because I thought the burn of the Jigsaw was significantly harsher on the tongue. It's so weird. This one, once again, accented heavily on the tongue. Hit the back of the throat just a little bit. Once again, though, like that Jigsaw, it hits hard on the tongue. As far as super hot goes and heat level, I know I got the hiccups a little bit. To me, I'm going to be honest, I wouldn't say this is in a hot category. I would definitely put it in the super hot category. I'm going to say it's on the low end of the super hot category. Now, granted, I took a pretty nice spoonful of that powder, so I'm getting a lot of the pepper when I tried it. I didn't really want to lowball it in any way, shape, or form. I sprinkle a little bit. I wanted to get the full grasp and full effect here. But, man, oh man, that has got a nice kick. My nose is actually running a little bit. I can bear it. The Jigsaw ate me up a little bit more in the fact that it really hammered and accented that tongue so violently. This one is hitting the tongue very hard. It's hitting the back of the throat there a little bit. I did get the hiccups, which is weird because when I tried the Jigsaw pepper, right, I didn't get the hiccups, but I thought that that was definitely hotter than the yellow Scotch brain. But then again, I did try more of it, so I'm wondering, because I tried more of it, that I think that I got more concentrated pepper, and that's why I did it. It does have my nose running, I'm not going to lie. It's got my nose running here. I'm able to talk through it. I'm able to work through it. I don't need water at this point in time. But that is like a perfect level of heat. It's like on the cusp of like hot, super hot. It's on the low end of the super hot spectrum. But the flavor of that is just magnificent. I love the citrusness of the yellow pepper. Even in a dehydrated form, I still feel like I'm getting that citrusness. Now, I know if I'm biting actual pepper that's not dehydrated and fresh pod, I know I'm going to get more of that aroma, more of that bite, man. But you guys that like the yellow varieties and you like that citrusness of super hot peppers, it's got good heat to it, and it's got incredible flavor. So, with that being said, if you like yellow super hots, this is 100% for you. I will have a link to Jimmy Pickles product line LLC in the description. It's something that you like and you're a gardener and you want to get out, get some seeds, man. I've had nothing but magnificent success with Jim and all his peppers that I've gotten. I've been going on about 3-4 years now. I think this will be the 4th year, I believe, that I'll have some Jim's peppers in my garden. Seeds are magnificent. Never had an issue with them germinating. True to form, they're just magnificent. He really, really takes his time to make sure something's a little more stable. You may get some instability with some of them, but he really takes his time to make sure that something grows true, and he tries his best. So, man, Jim, I love this one, man. I'm a fan of the yellow Scotch brain. Guys, if this is something up your alley, check him out. Jim Morrow, Jimmy's Pickles Pepper Seeds, or Jimmy's Pickles Product Line LLC. Like I said earlier in the note, disclaimer, he does not sell pepper powders. Rather, he sells the pepper seeds for you to grow and create your massive garden of beauty. So, please be sure to like, subscribe, share. Let me know what you think. If you want to see something stupid done, you want to see some more challenges, whatnot, let us know. I hope hope you guys have a great night. Thanks again for tuning in to JC Fire.